Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix low GPU usage in Windows or when you're trying to play the game on your Windows 11 and how we can do this app. So it's going to definitely increase your maximum performance if I try these steps on your Windows 11. So the first one is all about you have to go to the Google Chrome. Now go over here, search here for NVIDIA app download. Now click on this one. Now from here, click on the first one, that is NVIDIA app, click on this one. Now okay, this is the official site from you are able to download the NVIDIA app. Now go to the download now and you have to download the app. Then you have to install it. For me, I'm having the app here. So if I go over here, search for the NVIDIA, you'll be able to find the app. I have already downloaded and installed it. And once you get into this, and also in the meantime, if you're having the AMD, you can search for the AMD app. But for me, I'm having the NVIDIA graphics card. So I downloaded this one. Now go over here and click on the drivers. Now over here, as you can see, you have to select which one is yours. So what I'm saying is you can go for game ready driver and you can just download and update the graphics card for the best or GPU usage in your Windows. You can do this up and you can check. If that is not working, what you need to do is, that is the first and foremost step, you can just go over here, search for the settings, navigate to the settings. Now from here, directly navigate to the system, scroll down to the display. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to the graphics. Now over here, you have to expand this and find there is an option called hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. This should be turned on. That is very important. So you have to turn this on and you can check. Now, as you can see, for me, if the game which you wanted to fix the low GPU usage, for example, Battlefield, you have to add the game here. Just click on add desktop app, navigate to the game directory and you need to add it. And once you add it over here, what you need to do is you just need to expand this over here like this. Then make sure the GPU preferences is set into high performance here. That is high performance NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super should be set. That is very important. Now we need to close this and you have to check. Next one is all about you have to go over here, search for edit power plan. Click on this one. Now from here you have to just click on change advanced power setting. That's going to take you to this. Over here, as you can see, this has been set into balancer. So you have to change this one from the what you need to change it into the advanced, not the advanced. You have to go to high performance one. Set this to high performance and go for apply and you can check. That might work. Then what you need to do is, still if you're having the trouble, you can just go over here somewhere else, right click and directly go to show more options. Go to the NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait for a bit of time so that NVIDIA control panel will popping up. Now what we need to do is we just need to go over here, click on the as you can see, we have various options here, that is adjust image, etc. Click on manage 3D settings. That is very important. And right now, once you click on the manage 3D settings, what you need to do is you can just click on the over here. You can see we have various options over here. Now if you scroll down somewhere else here, you will be able to find preferred graphic performance. If you go to the programs, here in the program setting, you will be able to find it. So as you can see, this has been set into the killing floor 3. If I go over here, I don't know, something is missing here. I think this is not this one, configure this one. Yes. So go to the configure surround physics and you have to set this to NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super. Now you have to close this and you have to check. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.